Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. I got a really slick 2001 Honda Shadow I want to show you. An American Classic Edition, 750cc liquid cooled V-twin with a 5-speed. Forward mount foot controls, beautiful two-tone paint on this bike. The 2001, I want you to look at this front end. This looks just almost like new condition. Somebody really took care of this bike. It's unbelievable. It's a nice badge there on the tank, American Classic Edition badge. Paint, chrome, everything on it looks so nice and clean. Chain drive bike. Set up for 2-up riding. Passenger backrest. Some little scratches right there around that tab for the seat. You just don't see them in this kind of shape very often. Little rub right there on the back fender. Put you a brand new tire on the rear. Look at all the spokes and the hub. Everything just looks so clean. All up here around the cables, all that just sure doesn't look like a 2001 model. Just a tiny little peck or two right here on the front fender. A couple of tiny little scratches there. Not bad at all. Got a nice windshield on. It's got a few spots like up in here. You can see it's got some rubs and scratches on it. Got a windshield bag that's suffering from a little weather cracking there. This bike has got 14,778 miles on it. Fire it off and let you listen to it. Let me change hands here. Purrs like a kitten. It's factory exhaust. Noticed a couple little rubs right here on top of that side cover. No engine noise, no smoke. This one is a dandy. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. We ran it through the shop and checked it out, so it's ready to go. Classy little ride. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. Check out our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com or call our sales team toll free 888-400-1151. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.